This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Glen Allen, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath ranch style home. This home is located here towards the end of a cul-de-sac. And of course, you know that we don't have much traffic in a cul-de-sac, nice and quiet. One of the things I love about this home is that we have a large lot. This is a full half acre, and that's pretty unusual for a subdivision here in this part of town. We've got a really big backyard. It is fenced, and I know a lot of people really love that idea of having a fenced backyard. I was with a nice couple yesterday, and that was one of their criteria, and we found some nice houses, but they didn't quite have the yard space. So if you have the need for a large yard, this house might be right for you. Some of the things that this home features is, of course, the brick exterior. We've got heating and air system as well as roof that are less than 2 years old. Inside has been renovated. They converted it to a nice open floor plan, and it shows beautifully. It is May 1st, and it is time for the annual Best of contest for the Richmond Times-Dispatch. If you have been watching for a while, you know that last year you helped me clinch the #1 spot as Richmond's best real estate agent, and I truly appreciate your support in making that happen. Nominations are open again this year for the same contest, and I'm going to put the information down below, the link, so you can go ahead and nominate me if you'd be so kind. I definitely want to go ahead and make it a repeat here this year. Okay, we can see here this is a nice wide backyard. Starts right over there. We of course have a storage building in place, and our yard goes all the way down in the distance. You can follow the fence line. So we've got a very wide backyard. Here on the rear, one of the interesting things is this rear could actually be the front. Very well maintained here. They've got the shrubbery and nicely landscaped back here as well. So there's nothing like 100% brick. I know a lot of people really value that in new home construction. All right, let's go on back around. We're going to go inside and take a look. This is a really neat feature here. This is not something we see very often. They did a little detail there on the end of the home and give it a little styling, a nice brick accent there. Of course, we've got great curb appeal. Special thanks to Donnell Sims, the listing agent, who allowed us to come in and take a look at his beautiful listing. All right, let's see what we have inside. New windows, replacement windows are going to help make this home very efficient, of course, along with the high efficiency heating and air system that's already in place. Okay, when we come in, I am struck by these beautiful walnut floors, walnut colored floors. They of course took out a wall there at some time in the past and did a really nice job of making it an open floor plan. When this home was originally built, they did use this wall unit here for AC. That is no longer in use. You do have central heat and air. All right, let's go into the kitchen and see what we have in store here. One of the things I love about this floor plan is you've got plenty of space right here in the middle of the floor. If you wanted to put an island there, you could. There's some islands that actually have wheels. If you wanted to actually put a dinette there, you could, and this would still be a very functional floor plan. Our refrigerator has water and ice in the door. Stainless steel appliances include the Whirlpool microwave and our smooth top GE stove. Got a nice deep double bowl sink, good looking faucet there. Window, of course, looking out to the back, and our stainless dishwasher. Naturally, our door going out to the rear. Wait till you take a look at this laundry room. Now, since it's right here next to the kitchen, this laundry room could actually double as a laundry room and a pantry. There is actually a table that's right there. If that table were put up, that would be a great place to have a folding table, or you could simply repurpose that space with some shelving and make that part of a pantry. And it could go either way. You could, of course, use it for laundry supplies. You've got space on the wall there. If you wanted to put some cabinets in, you could do that there. There's enough width there that you could actually put some additional shelving back here. So loads of storage potential here in this laundry There are homes that are 2-3 times this size that don't have laundry rooms like that. So that's a really big plus from a functionality standpoint and from a storage standpoint. All right, let's go on back down the hallway and take a look at the rest of the home. One of the things I noticed here, we have this door. And normally you wouldn't have a door in the hallway like this, but this gives the ability to isolate the bedroom side of the house from the rest. Let's say you had a shift worker and they were sleeping. You could simply close this door and now you'd have sound insulation from the rest of the house. So really neat feature. This of course is bedroom number 1. These wood floors of course continue here into this bedroom. A nice sized closet. And our hall bath is directly across. I love what they did here. We've got the tile that goes all the way to the ceiling. Nice neutral gray and white, really classy look. New vanity, new flooring, just really nice presentation. As we continue back here to the right, this is going to be bedroom number 2. This is actually going to be our primary. And the reason it's our primary is it does have an ensuite. Now, when they built homes in 1969, one of the common features was a powder room off of the primary. So that's what we have here. We have a powder room, still nicely appointed, and directly across is going to be our 3rd bedroom. Before we go there, we actually have a linen closet. This is convenient here on the end of the home. And this is going to be bedroom number 3. Now, notice we don't have any carpet in this home whatsoever. So I know a lot of people prefer to have a solid surface floor, and this home definitely does provide for that. And they look great, by the way. They did a really good job of getting these floors looking absolutely stunning. Notice we have ceiling fans here in all of the bedrooms, and we also have ceiling fan. This is actually a nice modern ceiling fan here in the family room. There is a remote on the wall, so you just simply hit that remote, or if you're really lazy, you can have the remote with you as you watch TV and adjust that airflow accordingly. Of course, an additional ceiling fan there in the kitchen. Wow, this is a great looking home. I really love this location. Glen Allen is known for not only its quality of life, but also for its schools. And you're definitely convenient to everything that Central Virginia has to offer. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. A home like this would be eligible for our rent-to-own program. This is an area that would be eligible. So if you're not quite ready to buy, for whatever reason, make sure you let me know, and we can get you information for the rent-to-own program. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. I can reach on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and nominate. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Have a great day.